Hey guys, it's Jean. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see in the title, this is going to be another unboxing video. Although this is quite different from my unboxing videos because we are going to unbox a champagne. So this champagne is from Dom Pérignon. I don't know if I pronounced that word right. Vintage 2010. I don't know much about champagne, guys, but my husband really loves champagne. I'm sure he knows about champagne. It's just when I came here and my husband introduced me to these drinks, and that's when I start drinking them. But anyway, I know champagne is some sort of a state in France, or you call it region. So I guess that's where they got their name, the word champagne. Champagne is home to the famous sparkling wines in the world, and I guess Dom Pérignon is one of them, and I think one of the expensive ones too. Nagre-research ako dito, guys, kung ano yung about sa Dom Pérignon. Dom Pérignon is a brand of vintage champagne produced by the champagne house of Moet and Chandon. I know that champagne because nung kasal namin ng asawa ko, yan yung binili niya na champagne. As in, yung malaki talagang bote, guys. And I don't think, siguro nag-try lang ako ng ilang sip siguro, and then that's it. Kasi bago pa lang ako dito sa US, and wala pa talaga ako masyadong alam sa mga wines. So, it's just couple years ago, nung nag-start kaming pumunta sa winery, as in wine tasting, dun ako parang, oh, okay, parang may idea na. Like I've said, this is a brand of vintage champagne produced by the Champagne House of Moet and Chandon. I don't know if I pronounced that word right too, or those words. And it serves as the house prestige champagne. This is just purely unboxing. Ayan yung box niya, very fancy. As in, ang ganda ng box, guys. Ayan. So, Dom Pérignon, and then may nakasulat dito, Vintage 2010. So, meron siyang paganyan dyan. I-open natin. And meron din siyang nakalagay dyan na Dom Pérignon, and then dito sa kabila din, ayan. Ayan yung itsura niya sa loob. Meron tayo ditong paganito. Let's see kung meron bang information dito about this. I wasn't gonna film this, guys, kaso yung asawa ko, sabi niya, you should unbox it, sabi niya. So, as in, gusto niya yung mga unboxing ko naganap na dyan. I think information siya about the champagne, but in different languages, as in, ang daming. Sabi dito, Dom Pérignon has a creative ambition that is a perpetual quest. The search for harmony that inspire emotion. All creative processes have their constraints. For Dom Pérignon, it is the vintage and absolute commitment to bear witness to the harvest of a single year, whatever challenges it brings, even going as far as not declaring a vintage. Time is part of the Dom Pérignon equation. It takes no fewer than 8 years of aging to reach the aesthetic ideal of Dom Pérignon. Wow. In the darkness of the cellars inside the bottles, each vintage experiences a slow transformation in contact with yeast to obtain the harmony that will characterize Dom Pérignon forever. I don't know if you guys know about this champagne. So, sa mga manginginom dyan, baka gusto nyo, gusto nyo bumili dito. We got this from Costco for almost 200. The reason why we got this, I don't know if you will hate me for my reason or hate us for our reason, but we got this for tomorrow, which is today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday, and tomorrow is the inauguration. Yeah, so we just want to celebrate, guys. I know this is really mean of us, but I don't really care. If you're a fan of the guy, then okay. We are just happy that the guy is out of office. So that's why we're celebrating. So it's up to you guys if you will unsubscribe after you found out this reason. But yeah, it's just up to you. We have different opinions, or we have different point of view. Point of view. And tan-ta-da-da. Just looking at the bottle, it's very fancy. It's very simple, but so it looks elegant to me. So ayan siya. Ayan sa likod. We have to put this in the refrigerator para malamig siya pag ininom natin bukas. So this is 750 ml. And ayan lang siya, guys. The box is very fancy. I think I will save the box. O, diba? Ang ganda kasi ng box. Nakakaano naman kung itatapon, diba? In-order pala namin to online. And then, along with this, dahil siguro sobrang mahal ng presyo niya. So, merong kasamang free na champagne glasses. This is from Redel, which is from a really good wine glass company. So, it comes with 2 wine glasses. Sabi ko, siguro ang mahal-mahal talaga ng champagne, kaya nagigilty sila, kaya binigyan na tayo ng free champagne glass. Ayan lang siya, guys. Yung glass. So, I have to wash them para ready sila bukas. So, sa mga manginginom dyan or mahilig sa champagne, baka gusto nyong itry. Available siya sa Costco. I'm not sure kung available ba siya sa store mismo. But like I've said, he ordered this through online. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. And also, please comment down in the comment section below if you are celebrating for the inauguration of the newly elected president, because we are.